Today I'm going to talk about why I got into estate planning.
Creating wealth, protecting families, building legacy. This is the Rich Life Lawyer Show.
Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small, and this is another sort of episode of the Rich Life Lawyer Show. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about why I got into estate planning, because I think it's important. I think it's important to know why I do what I do and why I'm here and why this is important to me. And there are really several different reasons why I got into estate planning. Reason number one, and these aren't necessarily in any particular order, but reason number one was the opportunity to have lifetime relationships with clients. I see estate planning as a lifelong journey. Things will come up. Things will change. People will come in and out of your lives. Your priorities will change. The things that you want to accomplish will change, and the way that you see your family and your future will also change. And I want to be along for that ride. I want to help you do that. I want to help you create that legacy, that generational wealth. I want you to be able to look back and know that you have protected your family now and created endless opportunity for your family in the future. That's number one. Number two, the second reason that I got into estate planning is because I am interested in it. I actually, I have 3 small children. At the time of this recording, I have a 4-year-old, a 2-year-old, and a 5-month-old. And I can tell you straight up that, one of the coolest things, one of the most interesting things to me to think about is how I can create a system and set up a platform so that my kids and my grandkids and my great-grandkids and generations down the line can really pursue any passion that they want, can do anything that they want, and can really fulfill their dreams. And I want to be the catalyst for that. I want to be the starting point for that. And in doing that, I am going to have the knowledge and the ability to help you do that, to help other families do that. And so that's really important to me. The third reason is, as a business owner, I understand how important it is to prepare for the future. Not just for the succession of my business as I grow older and maybe want to retire, but to prepare in case something happens to me right now, and to make sure that I've extracted value from what I've built up and what I've done, and to make sure that my family is taken care of in case something like that happens. It's also important to think about and plan to pass the business on to the next generation, or to sell it, or to do whatever you want, right? But I love business. I love the idea of creating something from nothing, and I love the idea of passing that down. So that's another reason why. And the fourth reason, really, why I'm into estate planning is just that generally it's interesting to me. I really think it's fascinating how we can create these systems and set up these platforms to move money around, to avoid taxes, to create wealth, to really create legacy, to do all this fun stuff. It's really fun and exciting for me. So that's kind of the fourth and final reason that I decided to get into estate planning. So that is this, what you're seeing now, this kind of energy, this enthusiasm, this is what I bring to work every day. This is what I bring to my clients. This is what I'll bring to you if you're interested in estate planning. So, this isn't just a job for me. It's something that's fun. It's something that's interesting. And I would love the opportunity to help you out too. You're a family. There's a link below to a free ebook, 7 estate planning mistakes you should avoid. There's a fifth reason, by the way. Let's call this a bonus. The fifth reason I got into estate planning is because I think the way that most people do it, I think the traditional way of estate planning is a little broken. I think it's fine to think about tax avoidance and to think about passing down assets, but for me, the mindset's all wrong and the approach is all wrong. And so what I typically do is, and I'll just tell you this, I try to get you into those basics at the beginning, and then I try to educate you and get you excited about creating your own legacy and doing some of those other things that I was talking about. So I'm here to sort of revolutionize the industry in a way and really bring a new way of thought to the way that we do things. So anyway, there's a link below if you're interested. There's a free ebook if you're a family in particular. If you're anybody else, it may be interesting to you. But 7 estate planning mistakes every family should avoid. It's sort of a primer on estate planning in general. So go click the link, get the book. It's there. But anyway, I'm Christopher Small. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you, and I look forward to talking to you in the future. Bye.